Hi, this is Clark Coleman, one-time employee of Kid Parker Films. Kid Parker Films was a 16 millimeter film distribution company that was based out of Monterey on 10th Street from the 80s, and then later in 1990 or 1991 it moved to Sand City until the brick and mortar operation ceased, and that closed down, I believe, the summer of 2001. It was at Ortiz and Catalina. Here is myself standing and John Landaker going over film. This was the back of the house where we had film inspection machines. The machines would run at a high speed, running 60 millimeter films through sensors, and the sensors would detect torn sprockets, bad or dry cement splices. We also had to keep our eyes open for emulsion gouges, base scratches, a lot of damage of that nature. If there was any sprocket damage, we had to repair it and make sure the film was in its best condition for the next customer. This is where the films were shipped and received. Here's Dane Wilson at the roundabout that has the book of all of our customers and clients. There is Karen Kelly. She was instrumental in keeping the operations running at full steam. There's Don Varnador, mugging up for the camera in front of some posters. And here we are back at the back of the house. One of the perks of working here was everybody got to borrow a 16 millimeter film projector to take home. So we were able to watch everything that was in the film library, including short subjects, foreign films, cartoons, animated features, anything of that nature. So that was a pretty cool perk. I eventually found a 60 millimeter projector for sale, so I ended up purchasing my own. So that was kind of nice. And me and my girlfriend at the time would have movie night every Friday at 8 p.m. And this was back before movie night was a thing. And here we are on the back of the building where the loading dock is for UPS and FedEx. This was 9th Street. And this is where the films were shipped out to customers from as far away as New York City and as close as San Francisco and within Monterey. Not many people knew that this business was there, but it housed hundreds of 60 millimeter films. It was a great place to work, and it was kind of fun sharing this little video with you. This film was shot by Eric Winslow, who was an employee in the back of the house with us. Thanks for watching.